If you need to take money off your Cash App balance, but you don't have your Cash App card or debit card with you, don't worry because we will show you several ways to access your Cash App money without using any card. Let's begin. Now, the first and easiest and the most common method is transferring your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. So here's how you can do. Open the Cash App, tap on your Cash App balance, and select cash out. And of course, you need to enter the amount you want to transfer. You can choose the standard deposit, and the standard deposit option is completely free and usually takes like 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive in your bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can withdraw them using the bank's ATM or by visiting a bank branch. Okay? So another option is to send your Cash App balance to a trusted friend or family member. Because the thing is, they can withdraw the cash from their account and give it to you. Now make sure you only send money to someone you know and trust. Avoid sending money to strangers or acquaintances, and always double check the recipient's Cash App information before confirming the payment. Now, here's a very clever but smart ways to do this, okay? If you're still following and if you are familiar with cryptocurrency, you can also use Bitcoin. So here how it works. You need to buy Bitcoin using your Cash App balance, transfer the Bitcoin to an external wallet or cryptocurrency exchange, sell the Bitcoin on the exchange, withdraw the proceeds to your bank account. Please keep in mind that this method may involve network fees, exchange fees, and changes in Bitcoin's price. Because of these risks and extra steps, it's generally recommended only for users who are experienced with cryptocurrency. But if none of these methods work or you're having trouble accessing your funds, I need you to contact the Cash App support. They can review your account, identify any restrictions, and help you find the best way to access your money. Basically, that's it for today's video, and those are the easiest ways to take money off Cash App without using a card. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.